I just got my Nintendo Switch 2 delivered about 7:15 a.m. on launch day from Walmart, and I didn't order this Coke or this can of Pringles, but they came in the bag for some reason. Not sure if Walmart messed up my order or it's some sort of weird partnership, but thanks for the snack, guys. Before we get into it, I just want to mention that most people that watch my videos aren't subscribed, but subscribing is completely free and it's a great way to support my channel. And I upload new videos every week, but this month I'm uploading videos twice a week to celebrate the launch of the Nintendo Switch 2. So we're gonna open this up and kind of do a setup guide for you guys as well. So let's go ahead and crack this thing open. Don't want to damage the box at all. Got a little graphic there on the box about how to set it up. So inside, left Joy-Con, right Joy-Con. Let's go ahead and get these out. The really big buttons here, the new magnetic attachment part, and the IR receiver for using it as a mouse. So we'll see how that feature works here shortly. And there's the right. Very interesting. Next up is the Switch itself, of course. Getting the Switch out here. Everything is just in a plastic sleeve, I guess. All right, this is the most important thing to remember about the Switch console itself. There is a very subtle screen protector on the front, but you are not supposed to peel it off. It's supposed to help keep the screen shatter resistant, and in the event that it does shatter, it will keep the glass from falling off. It'll keep it all contained underneath. That's the idea, at least. So we're gonna go ahead and, oh yeah. People said that was satisfying, so I was really excited to try that. Oh yeah, that's pretty awesome. The bigger size immediately feels better with the Joy-Cons and holding the Switch in your hand. I wasn't a big fan of the Switch 1 size. I felt like, because maybe my hands were too big or something, it was a little bit weird. So this is definitely more comfortable. That hinge is very stiff, which is a good sign for long-term use. Gonna put the Switch over here and figure out what else is in here. Got some instructions here. HDMI cable. And these sort of like bumpers or sliders for using the Joy-Cons as mice. In here we have some more goodies. We've got the wall plug. It says Nintendo on the side, just a single USB-C port. Got the charging cable. Just as a USB-C to USB-C. It says Nintendo on both sides. And we have the Switch 2 Joy-Con grip. So notable difference is the Pro controller, and I believe the charging grip has some additional buttons on the back right here and right here, and those are notably missing on the grip that comes in the box. So that's interesting. And then we have this, the dock itself with the rounded edges. The only thing not in plastic wrap. We've got two USB-A ports on the side here, not hidden behind a door, just out in the open. And then back here, we can remove this back plate, and we have where we plug in our AC adapter. We have the HDMI out, and we have the LAN Ethernet port right there. And there's also the grill right here. I know this goes to the fan. I think this is the fan exhaust right here. So there's just some additional cooling elements underneath, you can see, for air to pass through. So that's interesting. Very transparent, like you can see through it, which is a good thing for cooling. Wonder how these doors will hold up over time. Came off like really easily. Anyway, that's the dock. Okay, let's power on the switch for the first time. Again, just a reminder, on the top here we have the slot for your game. We have a headphone jack, we have a USB-C port, we have the volume rocker, and we have the power button. And there's also going to be another USB-C port on the bottom here. So we're just going to hold the power button to turn it on. All right, and you're going to select your language. I'm in the US. We're going to accept this. I've already signed everything away to Nintendo. We're going to connect to the internet here. All right, and just like that, we're connected to the internet. And now it's going to download the update, and we can continue to set it up while that happens. Cool, so we're going to find Chicago here. That's the time zone I'm in right now. Play games wherever you want, however you want. Got it. Telling you how the stand works. Showing you how to disconnect the Joy-Cons. Oh, it makes me do it. Okay. They really want you to know. Gonna detach the left side as well. Okay, it's making me select next with the controller I removed. We're gonna click A. We're gonna click later. We're gonna skip the attachment guide. Oh, that's pretty much it, looks like. Wow, attaching those Joy-Cons is extremely satisfying. Okay, we're restarting. All right, the system update is complete. I'm gonna click OK. I'm not gonna transfer from my Switch 1 at this point. Gonna sign into my Nintendo account here by scanning this QR code with my cell phone. And there we go. Select this account. And I'm gonna enter the code they gave me to confirm. Cool, and now I'm all signed into my Nintendo account. There's my question mark block. User added to the system. And I'm the only user on this, so we're not gonna add parental controls, but it is built into the setup process if that's something you wanna do, if you're a parent setting this up. And yeah, if you have a microSD memory card, you're gonna wanna insert it now. I actually don't have one as we speak, but it goes right here underneath the stand. So that's how you insert it, and there's a little graphic on there showing you which way to insert it. So I'm gonna skip that for now, but that's how you do it. Wow, that load-in animation was amazing. That's all I got for you guys today. This is the unboxing. We got a bunch more Switch 2 videos in the hopper, so make sure to follow, and I'm going to be trying to offer a perspective that I'm not seeing elsewhere on YouTube, and I look forward to sharing those videos with you in the near future. And if you're watching this in June of 2025, I will also be going to twice-a-week uploads. So typically I only upload on every Sunday, but for just this month I'm going to be uploading twice a week, maybe more. We'll see what's possible. All right, guys, that's it for this one, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.